Hello guys, Tony Correa here, and today we're gonna be talking about Bluehost. Okay, so this website hosting company is for you guys if you have, for example, a website and you're looking for a hosting plan. This company offers a really nice price, as you can see here. Anyway, guys, I will be dropping my links below for you to click on it and, well, choosing your perfect plan. For example, they have the basic one, the plus, the choice plus, and the pro. If you guys are starting on this, I recommend you with the basic plan. Start with the basic plan. You will host one website. You will have a storage of 50 gigabytes. So the good thing about this is that you can update or upgrade your plan anytime, right? You can start with the basic, maybe then move to the recommended one, that is the choice plus, or maybe also you can get the pro, right? Let's see what they have with the pro plan. They have unlimited websites, storage also unlimited, 24/7 customer support, right? But before you go, before you choose a plan, I recommend you doing your own research, as I usually do my own research here. For example, where are Bluehost servers located, guys? The company operates its servers in-house in a 50,000 square feet facility in Orem in Utah. So basically they are in the United States, right? Another question I was looking for was, is Bluehost the best web host? In our overall hosting rankings, Bluehost comes in first, ahead of hosting heavyweights such as, well, I cannot read the names here, but you can do it. Okay. And in individual categories, Bluehost ranks first for customer service, second for uptime. This means the velocity when a website is online. And second for value for money. It's also the best hosting provider to manage a WordPress site. This means, guys, if you have a WordPress site, you can buy the hosting here with this company, right? The other question as well I was looking for was, with many plans available, Bluehost is a strong contender for the basic bloggers. So if you are bloggers, you can also host your blogs here, right? As well as non-profit organizations. Also, if you have a non-profit website, you can host it here, guys. Community sites and corporate businesses, also for people who have big companies, right? Give Bluehost a try. They are one of the best email hosting services out there, so you have nothing to lose, yes? So here you can see the plans, guys. It's up to you. Let's go back. Okay, so if you are looking also for a freelancer job, you can do it here, guys. I will be dropping my link below. It's at freelancerstoday.wordpress.com. Okay, guys, this has been a short review. I hope you like it, and give it a thumbs up. Goodbye, guys. See you.